Hey guys, today I'm gonna make some baked fish fillets. So let's get toasting. I'm using filet of sole for this, but any kind of fish fillets should work. This is a pretty good sized piece, so I'm gonna cut it down into a little bit smaller pieces so it'll fit into my pan better. That's a 10-inch cast iron skillet. I'm gonna put it in that and just put it in my toaster oven. But you could use the big oven as well. And I've already put a little bit of avocado oil into the pan so that my fish won't stick. And I'm going to season it with some of this lemon pepper. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now I'm also going to put some breadcrumbs on the top. Now, if you don't like breadcrumbs, you don't have to do this. Like if you're gluten-free, like a lot of people in my family. So I'm only going to put breadcrumbs on the top side because I've found that if you put breadcrumbs on both sides, a lot of times the bottom side, they just get all mushy. So I prefer just to do one side and then you can bake it with the breadcrumb side up and they usually crisp up pretty well. That looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to put these pieces into my cast iron skillet here. Perfect. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and I'll just get that fish in there until it starts to get flaky. It's been about 8 minutes and I think this fish is about done, but I'm going to switch this to broil just for a minute or so, just so it will brown on the top just a little bit more. And I have the broiler turned all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit as well. These have been under the broiler for a couple minutes, so about 10 minutes total cooking time here. Those look good. I'm going to get them out of there. Alright, let's see how this turned out. Well, it didn't look like it stuck to the pan. Looks pretty good on the bottom. Let's try one of these thicker pieces here and see how it looks. Nice and flaky. Let's try it out. That turned out real good. I think if you wanted to do a bigger batch, like in your big oven, you could probably use a baking sheet. I'm not sure if Annie the taste test dog likes fish or not. I haven't seen her spit anything out yet, but let's try it. Well, she ate it, but I'm not seeing as much enthusiasm as usual with regular beef or something like that. That filet of sole is really good, but like I said, you could use any kind of fish fillets you wanted for that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Talk to you next time.